Hey guys, it's Marie with WTI, and I like my hair slick. My daughter's hair is so thick, and a lot of times it needs to be refreshed. She's constantly laying on it, playing, rolling around, just being a kid. I don't always want to change her complete hairstyle. Using this gel helps it stay nice, fresh, and neat looking. Not only does it help it lay down, but I also add it to her ponytail just to make sure her buns or twists or whatever I'm doing really looks nice and neat and lays down. Having natural hair can be very difficult and take a lot of work and time. Honestly, I don't feel like doing my hair all the time, so I like to refresh mine as well. This gel goes a long way. It does wonders for my edges. I just love the way it comes out. So if you are looking for a hair gel that will keep your hair in place, make it look nice and slick, I would definitely recommend this product. I really love it. I use it all the time, and it also smells really good. So I'm going to keep on using this product, and I'm going to use it on myself, on my daughter, and we're just going to keep it going. And that's my point of view.